Nice. Woo! All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, we're going to be flying this DEERC. This is their Z68 aircraft. This thing does some crazy tricks, so hopefully we'll be able to get some of these tricks on video. Ready? Go ahead. Holy crap! Up, up, up! That thing is fast! Wow! Wow, this thing is awesome. It's so powerful. You can hear it. Whoa, whoa, there's a trick. Can you go up? Now you can go up and down. Can you bring it closer here? Oh, did you go out of it? Yeah, I think so. Cool. That was awesome. Do it a little closer. Straight up. So you can go down and straight up, right? He took it out. Now just do a, what is that, a long press? And it flips it upside down. Yep, now it's upside down. It's kind of hard to tell because it looks kind of the same. Whoop. Whoa, nice. Whoa. Oh, he caught it. Yeah, that was cool. Yo, this might be one of the coolest ones I think we flew. And the tricks are not that hard. Yeah, it's like that trigger button on the right. You light press it, and then, yeah, there you go. Oh, that was cool. Do it again. Whoa. That was awesome. I think I got it too. Nice. That was sweet. I like that one the best. Oh, that was a hard hit. Hope it's not broke. I got it on camera too. Don't hit the props. Yeah, I think we're good. Thing's a beast. You ready? All right, we're gonna just throw it. So watch, here we go. You ready?
As long as it's not like... Okay.
I feel like if you break the wheels, you might as well just take them all off. Where's it at? It's right above me. Yeah. That's cool. Ah, that is cool, I like it. Try to do one like a little bit closer. Yeah, that was nice. Whoa! It is fast too, really. Then big props. That's cool. I lost you in the trees. Step out of the road, I don't know, who's in the way? What the heck was that? Really makes you look like a professional. Huh. Nice flying. Oh my gosh, that was too close to me. Woo! Nice. Woo! Oh, make sure you're high enough when you do that, or you... Nice. That was a cool roll right near me. There it goes.
Still works after we smash it twice.
Whoa, that was a nice slow one. I can't believe we finally got a plane that flips. Whoa. You could hear that one go, phew. Yeah, it is fast. This thing is awesome. There we go. We're bringing her slowly down. Maybe. He's gonna go catch it. Catch it. He's running. He's gonna catch it before it hits. He got it. Awesome. So the controller starts beeping at you when the battery's starting to die. That sucker takes some juice to do all them tricks, I think. Out of all the planes we flew, that's probably one of the coolest ones. Hopefully I can fix the wheels. I show you how to keep some wheels on in this video, but if you crash it like we did. If you keep it off the ground some, you'll probably be all right. That was really awesome. All right, that's it for this video. This was definitely one of our top airplanes we ever flew. So if you want to get one of these, I will have one of these down in my description and in my first comment. That thing was really, really cool. And really, it was not that hard to do all the tricks. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of some of them tricks, or if you think this airplane was pretty cool. And hit that subscribe button to help support this channel. God bless and have a great day. All right, this is everything that comes in the box with the Z68 airplane by DEERC. It says on the box 14 ages plus. Here's a couple other things it says here on the front. 4-channel, 2.4 gigahertz, gyro, automatic stabilization. That is very nice. That makes it that this is an easy plane to fly, even though it's way a lot of fun. You did probably seen that already here in the video. There's some stuff it says on the end of the box if you want to pause that and read that. It does come ready to fly, minus you have to get 4 AA batteries for in the remote. So you will just take the back cover off. There's one little screw there you got to take out. And it does come with a little screwdriver for that. So let's put those in. Make sure you put them in right. Oops, this slides in there. I pick that little screw up. Put that back in, leave it out, whatever you want to do. So it comes with 2 extra props. It does come with 2 batteries. And then this is the charger for the batteries. And there'll be some wheels you got to put on. You have to put these 2 little wings on the back. I'll show you how to do all this. Then it comes with a really nice little manual. And this is going to show you how to do all the little tricks that we were doing in the video. Now I've been flying these little airplanes, me and my boy, for quite some time. And I'm going to show you a little trick that I found. I like to take, you don't have to, when you wreck, things are going to fall off and you'll lose it. Take some silicone, white silicone, clear silicone, it does not matter. Just go buy a little tube of silicone. You can probably buy a real small thing. You could even use some super glue if you want. These are going to get clipped into here. Right? They just slide in that. There's 2 little holes. They're going to slide in there and clip over. So I'm going to take a little bit of this silicone, just put a little dab right on that. Down in them holes. Yeah, that's going to help that not fall off of there. Then you got to let it dry for maybe a good 20 minutes or an hour. Okay, I do the same thing with the wheels. This wheel is going to go in the front. Doesn't really matter which way. Okay, so I'm going to put a little silicone on that one. This is the big thing. I used to put these on these wheels. Just a little dab will do ya. Put that wheel down in that hole. And kind of fill it up. Smooth it out. Same thing with these ones. Now these ones are going to kind of matter. You're going to want to put it down in that hole so the wheel sticks out toward the edge of the plane. You don't want to put it like that. I think the silicone actually helps slide them in there. Make sure you wipe it around there. You're going to have to let that dry or stick it in front of somewhere where it's warm. That's it. That's how you get it all ready to fly. Everything comes in the box. This is a really cool, fun plane to fly. If you've ever flew any of these, you'll notice it's got some monster huge props.